Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp, so let's dive right in. First, open your iPhone settings and make sure that notifications are turned on for WhatsApp. Scroll down to find WhatsApp. Unfortunately, iPhones don't have a built-in notification history feature like Android, so you won't be able to recover deleted messages this way. However, if you had low signal at the time a message was deleted, the notification might still be visible. Next, open WhatsApp and go to the settings by tapping the settings icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on Chats and then tap on Chat Backup. If you had a chat backup taken before the message was deleted, you can restore that backup to recover the message. The message will still be deleted for others, but you'll be able to see it. To restore a backup, delete the WhatsApp app from your iPhone, reinstall it, and during setup, choose to restore from the iCloud backup. This might help you recover the deleted messages if they were included in the last backup. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.